if you are looking to make good money from the forex market this week forex analysis is for you. In this forex analysis, we'll be looking at our area of interest, market structure, and entry levels. So let's start with the dollar index. So on my daily chart, we can clearly see that the dollar index have a uptrend structure. We have a lower low, we have a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and a higher low, and a higher low. This indicates a bullish momentum for the dollar index. But from my trend line, price has closed below this trend line, which indicates possible reversal of price for the dollar index this week. So let's look at our area of turning point levels for the dollar index. You can also see from the daily chart, we also have price rejected from this strong resistance level, which is a key resistance level. This resistance level, first price tested this resistance level, the market pushed price back to this support level. This is the second time price is testing that particular resistance level again, which shows that this market also pushed price below this level, because price has tested this level before and tested this level before. So what we expect this week now, so long price has closed below this our trend line, we expect more downtrend for the dollar index this week. So we expect the dollar index to come to this level, to come to this area. A break of this area, we might be seeing further sell. We wait to retest, they will look out for more sell for the dollar index. So this week we expect more of sell opportunity for the dollar index. So we'll be targeting this level on the daily chart, which is a strong support level. So we have a strong support level at this area. So this is the area we are to target this week for the dollar index. We expect price to continue to push lower. So long price has closed below this trend line, we expect more downtrend for the dollar index. And you can see that price also closed on this resistance level. So we can see that we have price on this resistance level. So we expect more of sell for the dollar index this week, because price has closed below this our trend line, and we also expect price to come to this, but we need price to break this level, then wait for retest, then we'll see further sell for dollar there to this next support level. But if price fail to break this level, we might be seeing price reversal back to the top. Once price fail to break this level, we might be seeing price reversal back to this resistance level, because we have this strong support level at this area. This strong support level at this area. So if price can break this level, then we'll see further down price. But if price fail, we'll see more bullish move for the dollar index. So let's look at our next pair, which is the EURUSD. So EURUSD on my daily chart stay on a sideways trend. You can see we have, let's look at the trend on EURUSD first. So you can see we have this higher high, we have a lower high, a lower high, a lower high, a lower high, then we have a lower high, then we also have a lower low and higher low. So now euro is currently on a sideways trend. You can see that we have this sideways trend from this level. This is a sideways trend for the EURUSD. So for the buying opportunity, we need price to break above this high, then wait for retest. You can start looking for buying opportunity for EURUSD. For the sell opportunity, we expect price to come below this level, then we expect a retest. You can start looking for sell opportunity for the downside. So currently EURUSD is currently on a downtrend. So let's draw our trend line. Then on my daily chart, we have trend line break on the EURUSD. I always like this, my trend line that connected to swing level. It's very powerful. So we have trend line break already on EURUSD, which indicates we expect price to push higher this week for the EURUSD. So we expect a break of this high. We'll start looking for buying opportunity for EURUSD to this top. So look out for your buying opportunity on EURUSD if price close above this resistance level, because this level is strong resistance level. So once price close above it, we expect a retest back of price back to that particular resistance level before we start looking for buying opportunity for the Euro USD to this next resistance level. See how this area is our next target resistance level for the coming week. So wait for more buying opportunity for the Euro USD this coming week. So let's look at our next pair, which is the Great British Pounds USD. Great British Pounds USD on my daily chart have this. We have this higher high, we have a lower high, lower high, and lower high, and a lower high. Then you can also see that price close above this resistance level. You can see from daily chart price close above this resistance level. Then we now have a lower low and a higher low. Then we also have this significant level here, this key level for buying opportunity for the Great British Pounds USD. So for us to look at our buying opportunity on Great British Pounds USD, we need price to come to this key level. We need price to come to this key level for us to start looking for possible buying opportunity for the Great British Pounds USD to this trend line. So a break of this trend line, we know that we are fully on an uptrend. So we expect a retest, then we'll see price pushing higher for the Great British Pounds USD. So our major structural level for the Great British Pounds USD for the price remain bullish, remain this level. So once we see a break of price above this level, Great British Pounds USD will remain fully on uptrend. Once we see a price above this key level and above this trend line, the Great British Pounds USD will remain fully in what uptrend. So for our set scenario this week, we need price to, for the set scenario, we need price to break below this level. We need price to break below this level, to come below the level and fail to close below this level. Then we expect a retest, then we'll see further sell for this level. Then if price tested this level and fail to close above this particular resistance level, we might see price looking for sell for this from this resistance level to the downside. So this week we expect the British Pounds USD to move to this support level. If there's any break, we expect price to move to this support level because our structure still remain on the downtrend on the Great British Pounds USD. We see have this downtrend structure. So, but we have this lower low and a higher low. We need price to clear it. If you can see price break below it, also will be a good option for us to look for selling opportunity for the Great British Pounds USD. But so long we have this lower low and a higher low, it's not okay yet for us to start selling the Great British Pounds USD, except to see price rejecting from this support level or a break of this level for us to look at or buy for sell opportunity. Then reject from this level and be looking for buying opportunity. So we expect price to drop to this level because we see have the downtrend structure on the Great British Pounds USD. Then our next target for the Great British Pounds USD will be this support level. So let's look at our next pair, which is the Australia USD. So Australia USD on the daily chart still have this sideways trend. You can see we still have a sideways trend on the Australia USD, which is we have this higher high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Then we also have this major level. The major level on Australia USD still remain on break. We still need price to break this major level before we start looking for any possible selling opportunity for the Australia USD. If price can break this major level, we start looking for a selling opportunity. But for the buying opportunity now, so for our buy scenario for the Australia USD, currently we have price close on this resistance level. So long price close on this resistance level, this indicates we expect price to reverse back to this support level. We need price to reverse back to this support level. So we expect price to reverse back to this support level. Then we expect more buy of price to this resistance level. So a break of this resistance level, expect it will test, they will see price continuation, because once price close above this lower high, this indicates a full buy opportunity for the Australia USD. So we still have this sideways trend, but we need price to come to this support level for us to look at a buying opportunity to this major structural level. a break of this major structure level will look for more buy opportunity to the top side for this Australia USD. So for the sell scenario for Australia USD, we need price to come to this. We need price to come to this level, a break of the major structural neck. Then we expect a retest before start looking for selling opportunity to this next support level for the Australia USD. So let's connect our 3 touch trend line. So you can see that we have this 3 touch trend line, and price failed to close above it this week, which indicates price reversal to this support level. So we expect price to reverse back to this support level this week before we make any further decision for the Australia USD. So let's look at our next pair, which is gold. But before we look at the gold USD, if you want to learn how to analyze the forex market chart and trade properly, we created the price trading course, which is good for beginner and advanced traders. And if you find it difficult to make profit in this market, this forex trading course is for you. So check the link in the description below to enroll for this price action trading course. So let's continue to analysis. So the gold on the daily chart, we have this inner structure movement already. We should have a lower low, we have a higher low, and a higher low, and a higher low. Then price tested this our trend line level and failed to close above it. You can see price tested this our trend line level and price failed to close below it, which pushed gold back to this resistance level. Now you can see that we have price on this resistance level now on gold, which is a strong resistance level, which indicates possible reversal of price for gold. Then we also have this resistance level. We also have this resistance level. Then we also have this level to also watch out for, which push gold to the top. So what we expect this week, we expect price now, because price closed on this resistance level. You can see the first time price came to this resistance level, look at what happened. First time price moved to this resistance level, what happened? Price drop. So this is the second time price moving to this resistance level and failed to close above it. So what we expect now, we expect price to drop to this support level. A break of this support level, we expect a retest, which is we expect price to break this support level. Then we expect a retest. Then we'll see further sell for gold to the downside. So gold on the daily chart needs a clear direction. So long we have price on this resistance level, we're looking for price setup for us to sell the gold to this resistance level. Then a break of this resistance level, we'll be looking for more sell from a reversal of the gold to the downside. So let's look at our next pair, which is the USDJPY. So USDJPY on my daily chart closed on this particular support level on the daily chart, which indicates we might still see more buying opportunity on the USDJPY. Then you can also see that on the USDJPY, we also see that we still have series of higher low for the USDJPY. So long we have this series of higher low, this indicates we expect more buying opportunity for the USDJPY. Then you can also see, let's connect our trend line. So for the trend line, let's make sure it connect 3 levels. So we don't have a clear touch of trend line yet for the USDJPY. So we see expect more buying opportunity for the USDJPY. So long price close on this support level, we expect price to give us a price setup from this support level for us to buy to this next resistance level. So we expect buying opportunity from this particular level to this next resistance level for the USDJPY. Then for the sell scenario for the USDJPY, we need price to come below this higher low. Then we expect a retest. Then we'll start looking for selling opportunity for the USDJPY. So look out for our major scenarios will be buying opportunity. We'll be looking for buying opportunity. So we look out for more buy on the USDJPY this week. We find this Forex Weekly Analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more trading tips and Forex analysis. You can watch my previous Forex analysis at the top. So support my channel, please subscribe and like this video. You can leave a comment below also. See you in my next video.